Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a bead that has a blocked or deformed hole in it. So of course you're going to need your bead that's blocked or deformed. I have one right here. It's just a little pearl bead. And you're going to need a tool to unblock the hole. Now what I'm using is actually a dental pick. You might find that a little bit odd, but it works perfectly for this. So I'm going to take the dental pick and I'm going to put it in one side of the hole in the bead. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to show you there. I'm going to put it in the hole. And then once it's in the hole, you're just going to turn the bead with your thumb so that it unblocks the hole. And then flip it over. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, rotate it with your thumb. And now the bead should be unblocked. Now, if you're interested in purchasing a dental pick for this task, the best place to get one is on Amazon. That's where I got this, and I got a pretty good deal on it. It kind of looks like a latch hook, only it doesn't have a latch on it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!